Hi, I'm Shri. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing and installing anti-scratch tempered glass screen protector from Tesmanian. I had ordered this screen protector a while ago. I didn't bother installing until this weekend. Finally, I got a chance to install it. It went pretty smooth. I really like that screen protector. This video is useful if you're wondering what is provided in the package and what goes with the installation of the screen protector for your Tesla Model Y. This is also the video where I try the wireless lavalier microphone for the very first time, but turns out that I forgot to switch it on for the first few minutes, so I only have the recording for the rest of the unboxing and installing of the screen protector. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss any of the future videos. Alright, let's jump right into the unboxing of the screen protector.
Here they also have like really well put instructions on how to install this. It's very impressive. Put the screen in screen cleaning mode first. How do I put it in screen cleaning mode? Oh, let me find that. I'm going to use the search function. I'm going to use the search function, and so there it is, screen clean mode. Okay, and then clean the screen with a lint-free cloth before wiping with wet wipes and dry wipes. Let me see if they have provided in. It's only $25, but packaged like an iPhone. Now I have this screen protector accessories. I think it's just a thing to wipe the screen first. Okay, yeah, it's a microfiber cloth and some wiping solution. Okay, clean the screen. I'm going to open this. I'm going to clean the screen now. Okay, and then affix 3 dust stickers to the left, center and right stoppage of the screen. Yeah, so okay. And then first fit the protective film to the screen perfectly. Align the 4 corners and edges. The red tear-off label is note that the red tear-off label is aligned with the upper left corner. Okay, let me get that protective screen. Where is the protective screen? It's in here. It's in this cover. And there is a red protective film. Okay. This is the protective film. Left corner, it is going here. Turn the camera. Left corner, okay. And then oh man, I didn't think this was all this involved. I thought it would be like fitting something on an iPhone screen, because that's the only other experience I have. Lift the protective film and finish cleaning the screen with a blue dust remove sticker. Okay, I don't see any dust, so just let me get this dust sticker. I'm gonna lift the protective film. Okay, there is some dust here. Okay. Tear off the adhesive film with the screen protector. Oh, this is the adhesives. Okay. Gently press the center of the screen and wait for the protective film to fit perfectly with the screen. Okay, center of the screen I'm pressing. Remove the stickers and check the edge of the screen. If there is a small bubble, wipe and press with the towel. Okay, I think there's a bubble in the center. Oh man, oh, maybe I should move it. Okay, I think the bubble is moving. Okay, I don't see the bubbles, small bubbles here and there. Anyways, this is done. Oh yeah, yeah, I can move these bubbles to the corner. So that was it. I definitely got some air bubbles in between them, in between the screen. And upon moving towards the edge of the screen, it kind of felt like it is going away. Comment below if you know a better way to install it, or if you found a mistake in the way I was installing it, so other viewers can learn on how to do it better. Anyways, after spending some more time wiping all the bubbles to the edge of the screen, I think it is looking okay. I only see two more. But yeah, that was my experience of installing tempered glass anti-scratch screen protector from Tesmanian. That's a mouthful. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.